Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil services made by APS and various gate exam. Next topic in the chapter of thermodynamic relation is application of energy equation. So we derived this in energy equation, that is du is equal to cv dt plus bracket t curly p by curly t v constant minus p bracket close dv. And we also derived that curly u by curly v t constant is equal to p curly p by curly t v minus p. This is equation number 1 and 2 that we have derived in the previous video, that is this one, derived from du is equal to tds minus td, putting the value of tds, and we got this equation, and then using some mathematical expression we found out curly u by curly v t constant as this quantity. Okay, so now uh, we'll use these to find out more results. Suppose we have an ideal gas, then for an ideal gas PV is equal to nRT. So curly P by curly T V constant will be equal to nR by V. If we take volume constant, then differentiate pressure with respect to temperature, then it will be nR by V, and this will be equal to P by T. nR by V is equal to P by T. So curly by curly V temperature constant, if we put it here, then it will be T into P by T minus P, that is equal to 0. Okay. So now we can see that U does not change when V changes. So curly U by curly V is 0 at constant temperature. Okay. So it is independent of volume. Internal energy is independent of volume. Now using another mathematical identity, we can have this curly u by curly b t constant, curly p by curly b t constant, curly v by curly e t constant is equal to 1, or we can say we can keep these two same and take this on the right hand side, and this is 0 from this, which means this is also 0, but we know that curly p by curly b at constant temperature is not equal to 0, so it means curly u by curly p at constant temperature is equal to 0. Okay, so it means u is also not the function of pressure at constant temperature. So it means u is only the function of temperature. It is not changing with p, it is not changing with v, so it is only the function of temperature for an ideal gas. So if we put this quantity as 0, so this is 0, then du will be equal to cv dt. So this is the expression for internal energy for an ideal gas. For an ideal gas, du is cv dt. But for any other substance, this is the expression for ideal gas for any process. But for any other substance, du is equal to cv dt is true only for constant volume process, not for all the processes. Okay, so for any other substance, du is equal to cv dt is for constant volume process, but for an ideal gas, it is valid for any process. Okay, now we also derived two more equations in the form of H, or enthalpy, from starting from H is equal to TdS plus VdP, and then putting the value of TdS is equal to CpdT minus C curly by curly Tp constant dP. So we drive this, and this curly H by curly P at T constant was equal to this. We also drive this 3 and 4. Now we'll use these two to drive more result for analysis. So these are the two equations, and PV is equal to nRT. So same way the curly by curly T at constant pressure will be equal to nR by P, and nR by P from this is V by T, and if we put this as V by T here, then it will be equal to 0. Okay, so now from this equation number 3, if we put this quantity as 0, then dH is equal to Cp That is true for any process like du is equal to cv dt for any process for an ideal. But for any other substance, it will be equal to cp dt for constant pressure process problem. Okay. So here we also can drive that h is function of temperature only, as uh, as we have derived for internal energy. Okay. Same way, here we have got this dh is equal to curly h by curly p at constant temperature is equal to 0. Same way we can use this type of mathematical relation to find out so same way here we have derived that curly h by curly p at constant temperature 0, so it is not varying with pressure at constant temperature. Same way we can derive it is not varying with volume at constant pressure. Okay, so this is the application of energy equation.